Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Siyakhuleka kini bantu abadala. Endaweni ehlukahlukene lapho nikhona. Niyidlozi kuthina. Elihle. Enenjongo. Nentshisakelo ezinhle ngathi. Namhlanje siphinde sabuya futhi saguqa phansi ngamadolo endaweni ehlukahlukene. Sicela ke namhlanje personal growth. Sicela ukuba personal growth. Sicela ukukhula ngokusimo somqondo, simo sokucabanga, izimo zokwenza, izimo zokwamukela. Abanye we are stuck where we are because of we are lacking a personal growth. We don't get what we deserve or what we need because we lack a personal growth. Sometimes ukuthi, for me to get that position so that I can get better pay, I need to do that course. For me to get a healthier life, for me to take care of this body, the only body that I'm living in, I need to eat certain kind of food. I need to, avoid certain things. For me to be able to be respected emsebenzini, maybe I need to stop drinking alcohol. Maybe I need to kwehlisa kancane. Personal growth might mean many things that we take for granted. We take things for granted, and we take things for granted, especially personal growth. We want to do everything in our powers to achieve whatever that we achieve, but we forget ourselves. Personal growth on how we deal with each other in terms of in a relationship. Self-introspection. Our personal growth are at stake. Today, as we go down on our knees, we're talking personal growth. Because you cannot achieve anything if you neglect your personal growth. Many people, many businesses are falling apart. Why? Because a person hardly gets to a bookstore and buy just maybe a principles of marketing, a business management principle book, a basic book that would at least give an overall guidance in whatever business the person is in. But we are quick to say, my business is not doing well. I'm not doing well. My business is not where it's supposed to be. Maybe you have to go and do consultation. Maybe there's bad spirits that you need to get rid of. That forms part of personal growth. Have you seen growth as something that you must fear? Because why? Because we are always told the only way to succeed is through reading the Bible. Reading the Bible alone is not a personal growth. But as you read the Bible and implement what you have read in the Bible, that helps. That is personal growth spiritually or in terms of in faith on whatever that you are believing in. Sizocela namhlanje sigoqele indawo ehlukahlukene. Asikho kumthandaza, asikho enyangeni. Sizocela sicelele la sikhona in our own space. And we also must not leave our children out, because our children are part of us, our projects. We brought them into this world. We need to also pray for them. They must have a personal growth. They must be able, as the schools are about to open, we must pray and guide our children to say, try to speak to your teacher differently this time around. Try to do things differently this time around. How many parents are guiding their children? Teachers are human. We don't, because we feel our children are always right. and we are killing their personal growth, because teachers tend to neglect them. When we're still at school, if we hlongandlebe, teachers will leave you, will ignore you, and you will feel it. You will feel it. Today, tonight, this midnight, we demand that you intervene in our personal growth. We want to grow in everything that we're doing, whether it's fitness, whether it's educational, whether it's seeking for information, whether I need to do research for me to do well as in my practice, whatever that is there. Please help us to have a personal growth. We want many things. We want to achieve many things. But we forget, we neglect the only body that we live in. We eat all sorts of things. Then we ask ourselves, why do I always think rubbish? But you don't think of what we eat. I'm reminded of a guy that came at home the other day, and he took his scoop, and he left. He came back and said, Gogo, hey, it's been a year now, his scoop Sam is not working. We changed it, we took another one, he left. Then he called me to say, no, Gogo, I need to see you. I want us to talk about me now. Gogo, this is what I'm going through. The guy was stuck in a wrong business, in something that he doesn't know, and he has never bothered himself to know about that industry. Yet he expected something to boost that same business. It won't happen. Scope, it won't make you to qualify to be a doctor if you didn't study medicine. Scope won't make you to understand the business if you don't know the business. Scope won't make person that is at your shop to buy a box of match, and then when they get to your shop, when you say you don't have a box of match, they won't buy chappies that you have. It's impossible. Then you need a personal growth then on doing what? On getting things the right way. Stock if you need to stock. Educate yourself about the industry that you are in. That is personal growth. Sizocela bogogo nomkhulu ukuthi our financial breakthrough is also based on personal growth. As we're starting a year, empower us, equip us with personal growth, so that as we go along, as we pass the months, the weeks, the days, the hours, the minutes, the seconds, we know very well that we are doing the right thing. Why? We inviting all the elements, that all the pillars of a financial breakthrough. I like it when how we did it this year, to unpack it, so that even if somebody wants to start their own 7 days, they can have e-guidance. Let's unpack things. Let's not just throw things under the bus, or just ask for everything. Let's ask for things gradually until we get to wrap up everything on the 7th day. We're not here down our knees because of we think we're smart, or because of we are bored, we have insomnia or whatever. No. Sidele konke, sidele ubuthongo ukuthi sibelana ukuthi siguqa ngedolo sizocela kogogo nomkhulu, sizocela kubanikazi bethu okuyibona abasilethela emhlabeni, okuyibona abaphila before thina. Sizothi sicela i-personal growth so that we can have i-financial freedom, i-financial breakthrough. Because if we don't have financial breakthrough, if we don't have financial freedom, we are not going to survive. I don't want a financial freedom or a financial breakthrough if I didn't take care of my family problems, if I didn't take care of my relationship, if I didn't take care of my personal growth. What will I do with that financial breakthrough? who will I enjoy with? How will I enjoy it if ever I was not equipped? That's why we find people on programs like I Blew It, because things that just come from nowhere, and they find you not prepared. They find you, you know nothing about personal growth. You know nothing. When now you think now you have millions, you will make sure that family listens to you because you have money. Yes, they will listen to you when you have money. As soon as you blow it, and as soon as you blew it together with them, then you go back to the same spot you were. Siyathokoza gogo nomkhulu. Siyathokoza shingishana somoya. Siyathokoza nina bovula kuvala emzini noma emadoda. Siyacela bogogo nomkhulu. Siyazithoba kini. Siguqile ngamadolo endaweni ezehlukahlukene. Hayi ngoba zingekho izinto besingazenza, kuningi besingakwenza, kube sihleli nabangani abangasithandi, kube sihleli siyahleba, kube sihleli siyathakatha, kube sihleli siyehlela izinto ezimbi. Akukho esikwenzayo okuyimpumelelo, kodwa sikhethile ukuthi sokuba ngedolo sizocela kunina ukuthi sithi sizoqala unyaka. Zithi nge-31 bejabulile abanye benza konke, baqhumisa ama-fireworks, benzani. Sithi thina i-fireworks ngeke ibuye. Ngeke i-fireworks iye phezulu isibuyele nani ne-financial breakthrough. Without a financial breakthrough, we are nothing. We are nothing. We're not going to survive. Thiwa singayikhonzi imali. Thiwa imali singayithandi. Sithande ini ngoba yonke into eyenziwayo idinga yona imali. Yini ongayenza ngaphandle kwemali? Mawuthi wena imali singayidingi, usho ufaka isicathulo, ufaka ibhlokwe noma ufaka iroko noma ufaka ini, kodwa wena egcineni njengomfundisi ufuna umnikelo, kodwa kuthiwa imali singayikhonzi. Asiyikhonzi imali, siyayidinga. For us to survive siyayidinga. Asazi noma izulu likhona ukuthi noma sizobuya sithi hayi sayenza iphutha lapha na ke sihambe silungisa sisese la. Siyathokoza gogo nomkhulu, siyathokoza. Siyathokoza gogo, siyathokoza omkhulu, siyathokoza makhehla. Siyacela ke i-financial breakthrough yethu ibe impumelelo. Siyacela ukuthi njengoba siguqile sicelela i-personal growth, siyacela ukuthi kwenzeke, so that we are ready. We are ready for those millions, we are ready for those billions that will come upon us, so that we survive. I aim high. When I say billions, I'm not dreaming, I'm aiming high, so that even if one can have that 100,000, that 10,000, that 1 rand, you know, or at least you have aimed high. But if you aim low, you get low. Hayi ukuthi njena sihambe mhlambe uyoqola abantu noma sithi financial breakthrough ngoba wena ufuna uqamba amanga kangcono noma wena ufuna ukwenzani. Cha, ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisebenzele. We want to work for it. Don't just bring it. Give us projects that will give us money. Equip us so that we are able to negotiate. Give us a better financial personal growth, so that we are better negotiators, so that we negotiate discounts, so that we negotiate good deals, so that we negotiate everything that we want to achieve, so that when we go and do a presentation, it must show ukuthi there is a personal growth in this person. This person, they know what they're talking about. If I'm selling insurance, people must understand what is it that I am talking about. Because if I can't explain it to a 3-year-old or to myself in the mirror, how will I explain to somebody else? Why? Because I lack a personal growth. So today we're praying for a personal growth, and we demand our sisters to help us to achieve a personal growth. Siyathokoza. Asijike bogogo nomkhulu, asindawo sikuwo lo mkhankaso, asindawo ngihamba ngihlala ngokwelapha njengoba ngisohambeni, ngihamba ngilapha abantu seLimpopo la ngikhona, ngiyadlula futhi yaphambili nansine spread nyaya, siza abantu ngenza into engicele abantu ukuthi ngibayenzele yona umsebenzi engiphathiswe wona akuwona wami lo msebenzi phathisiwe kufanele nguphathe kahle njengekhali zamantuma. If I take this job for granted, I will suffer tomorrow because idlozi langitshena kahle lathi ungakwenza konke okunye kodwa thina sizaqala. If you dare do other things after us, you will see, or before us rather, you will see. So these lights, guys, yellow and blue, guys, please go to other videos titled the combo of yellow and blue. Please get a copy of the book. It's a pocket-sized book because I want it to be easier. Wanted it to be easier to read, and I wanted you to read it as many times as possible. It's the best thing that you can leave your children or your family with, besides your policies or whatever wealth that you think you have, or that you have for that fact. This combo has changed lives. There are people that are working today because of this combo. They've never seen me except on social media. They've never been at my place. There are people that are married today because of this combo. There are people that have qualified. There are people that they say, Gogo, I've always served articles, and whenever I need to achieve this, I don't. I say, where you can you come at home? This is Gogo. I don't have money, so that I can help you. Buy yellow and blue candle, and let's talk at 12 midnight. Ukuphahla nawe. Omunye usisi wathi, Gogo, will that work? I said, I don't know. She was going through a very toxic divorce. Very toxic divorce. And I said to her, I hear you, sis. I hear you. Then people were making appointments direct to me. I said, I hear you. Get yellow and blue candles. Let's pray about this. Before we prayed at 12, I've asked her, what is that you want to achieve? And she said, Gogo, I don't want a divorce. I meant every word I've said when I got into this marriage. I don't want a divorce. I don't want another man. Please help me. I said, it's fine. Let's do this for 7 days. We did it. In the 5th day, it was her birthday. She was in the office at work. Security called, said there's a delivery of flowers. The flowers came from the husband. Apologizing for all the pain she has caused for this woman. Why? Yellow and blue candle, nothing else. So if it can do what it's done to other people, or to many people rather, how about our problems, yours and mine? How about them? It's possible, guys. You know, I don't want to sound like I'm claiming or I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's read the comments. And let's see what I'm saying. I'm the one now who has written all those comments. Let's check the comments and see and take it from there. That's a challenge that I'm giving you guys. These two candles. And guys, please understand me. Somebody said they dreamed of using white, yellow, blue, red. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Whatever colors that you have been given, maybe by a person that you get help from, whether it's a prophet or a sangoma or whoever, please respect that, guys. Respect that, guys. It's a spirit that we have. It's our gift that gives the instruction power to work as we are giving you. That's a trick. Thokozani ugogo nomkhulu. Salwa sendoda.